Hi, I'm Lindsay, here today to show you the new RTS Universal Beltpacks. The new Universal Beltpacks are the first in the industry. These work very well with Audiocom, RTS 2-wire, and even ClearCom. They have a 3-pin XLR for connector on the back, and they also take a 4-pin or 5-pin headset connector, which takes me to our new LH series headsets. The headsets are more comfortable. They have padding on the top, along with a tempo pad that will swivel. Both products work well together. They're great for production trucks, churches, and schools. This is the new Universal Beltpack and new LH series headset. For more information, please go to www.markertek.com.